Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So today I'm back with a brand new review, and this time we're reviewing a super budget earphones under 600 rupees. These are the Sound1 E10 in-ear earphones. The company calls them as extra bass earphones, and they also have a full metal enclosure. We'll have to see about that. You can see a picture of the earphones on the box, and below that they've got a tagline that says listen to your heart. The model of these earphones is E10, and they also come with a free pouch. Let's see what's written over here. These budget earphones also come with a microphone, so you can also answer calls on it. That's really nice. Now let's check out what's at the back side. You can actually see the earphones through the box. They come in two colors. I've got the silver color model. Let's check out the specs of these earphones. It's got 10mm drivers, the frequency response range is from 20 to 20 kHz, the impedance is 16 ohms and has a cable length of 1.2 meters. The price on the box says 1190, but it's available for only 599 rupees. The box packing looks quite nice. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank Sound1 for sending me this product for review purpose. So here we go. The box slides out like this. We've got the Sound1 earphones at the top. Let me take them out of the box. The earphones feel quite light in the hand. They're also very small in size. We'll check them out in a moment. First, let's see what else is in the box. You get a warranty card. The company provides 6 months of warranty. And you also get a free carry case in the box. It's a good quality pouch. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the Sound1 earphones. Let me unwrap them and show you. The Sound1 earphones look nice. They're very small in size and the build quality also looks good. It has a twisted pair cable. Let me just bring them close to the camera and talk about its design and the build quality. The E10 earphones have an ergonomic design. The entire body is made of aluminum and the build quality is very good. At the back you've got CD-like pattern on it. And talking about the earbuds, they're made of silicone, feel soft and comfortable. Let me show you the cable. The cable is unique. It's got a twisted pair design. The cable looks quite strong and durable. It's also tangle resistant, and the length of this cable is around 1.2 meters. It runs down to this inline remote control. The remote control has 3 buttons on it: volume up, media play pause and volume down. It's really nice that the company has provided these buttons even though it's a budget earphone. The quality of the buttons is also good. And this is its gold plated 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The E10 earphones are quite comfortable. They're small and fit perfectly in my ears. The noise isolation is also good on them. And talking about the audio quality was good for the price. The mids were crisp, you can easily understand the dialogues, the treble was alright, but coming to the bass was super heavy and punchy. If you're a bass lover, then you'll definitely like these earphones. But what I felt was the bass was overwhelming the other frequencies, and because of that, the mids and high frequencies were getting a little suppressed. The company made this solely for bass lovers. The TRHD was also low up to 80% volume level, after which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. On the overall, they were offering good audio quality for the price. And the quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. So that was my review on the Sound1 E10 budget earphones. They're good earphones for the price, guys. If you are a bass lover, then you'll definitely like these earphones because these earphones have too much of heavy bass. And they're priced for about 599 rupees. They're available on Amazon India. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can get it from there. And coming to the giveaway, yes, I'll be giving away this Sound1 E10 budget earphones, guys. They're brand new. So you don't need to do anything to participate in this event. If you're one of my subscribers, then you're automatically in this giveaway. This event will run for about 2 weeks starting from today, and the winner will be selected from the comment section randomly. The winner will be announced on both my YouTube channel and my Twitter account, so you can follow me over there to be updated. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.